In times of crisis, especially in times of changes, people will look up to the leader. It is not a guarantee that they will remember what I said yesterday. They may like it, they saw the pictures, but they will forget it. You will have to be there to reinforce. And perhaps what you can do, my dear friends, is to be more visual instead of just placing guidelines in words or in text. Remember how the hand washing posters go? Instead of just saying wash your hands, rub your fingers, there are actually visuals or pictures or images. That's a better way to communicate nowadays. And in times of crisis, especially in times of changes, people will look up to the leader. They will look at you. They will look at the leaders observing social distancing. Are the leaders conscious of the maximum number of people in a room? Are they using more virtual ways of communication or back to old normal?
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.